Again, tan x is equal to tan alpha. Which value? Alpha, we got two values. Principal solution. Principal solution, we have two. Out of these two principal solution, alpha is, we take the first one. First one is 5 by 6. So tan x is equal to tan 5 pi by 6. Then this gives x is equal to n pi plus 5 pi by 6 comma n belongs to, that's the answer. Again, writing this formula in question in examination, better to mention this formula inside this formula. Tan x is equal to tan 5 pi by 6, x is equal to n pi plus 5 pi by 6. That is question number 3. Now we will do question number 4. I hope you have completed. Question number 4. Cosec x is equal to -2. Question number 4. Cosec x is -2. Cosec x is -2 means cosec is reciprocal of. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So this means sin x is equal to -1 by 2. Is it? Sin x is -1 by 2. So in quadrant 1, taking positive value, sine of which angle is 1 by 2? Sine of 30, right? So quadrant 1, sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. See, we wrote it very clearly. In quadrant 1, take the numerical value, means only the positive value. Even though the given question it is given negative, while taking the angle in quadrant 1, take positive value only. As I said, this is one of the methods. We have many methods. In quadrant 1, so theta is 30 degrees. 30 degrees means in radian measure pi by 6. So for principal solution or sine negative in which all quadrant sine is negative? Sine negative in quadrant 3 and 4. In quadrant 3 and 4, sine is negative. Yes. Again, see that table. See that table. In quadrant 3, our principal solution alpha. In quadrant 3, alpha is 5 plus theta, which is 5 plus, what is theta? 5 by 6. 5 plus 5 by 6 is 6 pi plus 5, 7 pi by 6. It is 7 pi by 6. Again, in quadrant 4, alpha is 2 pi minus theta. 2 pi minus theta means 2 pi minus 5 by 6. 6 to 7, 12 minus 5, 11 pi by 6. These are the principal solutions. We got principal solution. In examination, if only principal solution is asked, you can stop it here. Then write, therefore, the principal solutions are these two. Now, for general solutions, it is in sine. So we use the first formula. Sine x is equal to sine alpha. Write the formula inside. So here we use sine x is equal to sine alpha, the first value of principal solution. It is 7 pi by 6. Sine 7 pi by 6 gives x is equal to the formula n pi n pi plus minus 1 raised to n alpha. Alpha is 7 pi by 6. N belongs. This is a general solution. N pi plus minus 1 raised to n 7 pi by 6. From this exercise, one question is sure for your board examination, for all examinations, solving trigonometric equations. I hope any other Z belongs to India. Any other method? We have lot of methods, but if I am discussing lot of methods, you will get confused. I am sticking on to this method. Everything in order. If you find any other method, if you find that as easy, go for it. No problem. This is, I find this one as comfortable. Only 2, 4, 6 lines we get the answer. Now, again, when in examination question paper, whenever the question is to solve, if it is written, if it is not written to find principal solution or general solution, if the question is just solve, that means always you have to find general solution. For finding particular solution, it will be asked the question, find particular solution. Otherwise, if it is to solve, means always write general solution. Yes, one of you asked me a doubt. So we always choose the first one as alpha. The angle, first one, yes. We are out of these two principal solutions, always the first one for general solution. For general solution, always we have two alpha. Two alphas will be there because principal solution we get in two different quadrants. Of these two different quadrants, the one considered for general solution is the first alpha. For finding, definitely for finding general solution, we need the principal solution. We need the first principal solution. Again, what is the value of n? What is n belongs to Z means what? The value of n belongs to Z. Z means what? Integers. 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. N belongs to Z. But if question comes to solve, we can find general solution. Yes, for finding general solution, we need the principal solution. The first principal solution is taken as alpha. Without finding the principal value, we cannot get it. Now question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5, it is to solve. Okay, here is given to find general solutions. See, cos 4x. Cos 4x is equal to cos 2x. If you get the trigonometric equations with all here, take everything to one side. Cos 4x minus cos 2x is 0. Then use that formula cos x minus cos y. Cos x minus cos y is minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2 is equal to 0. Minus 2 sin 6x by 2, 3x into sin x is equal to 0. This gives minus 2 into the result is 0 and minus 2 cannot be 0. This means sin 3x is 0 or sin x is 0. Now we use this one. If sin x is 0, x is n pi. So this gives, if sin 3x is 0, this gives 3x. 3x is equal to n pi, x is equal to n pi by 3, n belongs to z. So here, without finding, because since it is 0, if it is 0, if the first principle, this is the first principal solution is 0. If first principal solution is 0, it is very easy. This formula. If first principal solution is not 0, then use this one. So here the first principal solution is 0. So 3x is n pi. So here, or this gives x is equal to n pi, n belongs. So these are the two general solutions. Those who missed today's class, it will be lost for them. Okay. Somehow they will manage, or if they are not, let me take the attendance. I think I have completed. I will take the attendance. Today, very less students. Nearly many people are absent. Two cannot be 0, then only x is 0. If I count this one, 2 times a number is 0. That means what? That means the number is 0 because 2 cannot be 0. This constant, so minus 2 cannot be 0. Then the other doubt is, what is second solution? Second solution is x is equal to n by, that's all. Sin x is 0, x is equal to n by. That is second solution. Can we discuss about the test now? Nothing to discuss about test. Test starts at 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock, I will share a link at 4:58. 4:58, I will give the link in our group. Just open that link, only MCQ. Mock test from this chapter, you will ask. I'm not asking any exercise question, basic questions only. All basic questions. Right? Nothing to worry. If you have basic understanding, you can do all questions. 10 marks. 10 questions, 10 marks. That's all. Now, next one. Question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6 is cos 3x plus cos x. Cos 3x plus cos x minus cos 2x is 0. Minus cos 2x is 0. Cos 3x plus cos x minus cos 2x is 0. Again here, we need to, out of 3 terms, we need to combine 2 terms. I mean, we group 2 terms. Which 2 terms has to be grouped? That by observing and make it out. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 by 2 is a fraction. 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 is a fraction. Whereas 3 plus 1, 4. So 3x and x. Combining the first 2. This is cos x plus cos y. 2 cos x plus cos y, 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. This minus cos 2x is 0 remains as it is. This is 2 cos 3 plus 1, 4 by 2, 2x into cos 3x minus x, 2x by 2 is x, minus cos 2x is 0. Taking cos 2x common, cos 2x into 2 cos x minus 1 is 0. If you take cos 2x common, left out is 2 cos x minus 1 is 0. This means if product of 2 factors is 0, cos 2x is 0 or 2 cos x minus 1 is 0. If cos 2x is 0, from this we can write the general solution. If cos x is 0, x is 2n plus 1 pi by 2. So here, instead of x, 2x. So this implies 2x is equal to 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 4, n belongs to z. This is the first general solution from one part. Now from this part. X is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 4, that n belongs to z. I hope you got the idea. This is only one part. Now, for the second part, we use the previous method. 2 cos x, it is not over. Now, or 2 cos x minus 1 is 0. That means 2 cos x is 1. Cos x is equal to 1 by 2. Cos x is equal to 1 by 2. This is that question what we did previously. If cos x is 1 by 2, first we find theta in quadrant 1. Then we will find the principal solution. Taking the first principal solution, we find general solution. So in quadrant 1, cos of which angle is 1 by 2? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Always, this will be a standard value. Is it necessary to write two? Yes, it is necessary. Solution means all possible solutions. Not like this one. You have write general solution for both. In quadrant 1, cos 60 is 1 by 2. Therefore, we write theta as 60 degrees, or we write it as pi by 3. Now for principal solution, cos positive in quadrant 1 and 4. In examination, even if you are not writing for principal solution, no problem. Directly keeping in your mind, write first principal solution, no problem. But if you're writing everything, you will understand. For principal solution, cos positive in quadrant 1. So in quadrant 1, alpha is theta, that is pi by 3. In quadrant 4, alpha is 2 pi minus pi by 3, right? 2 pi minus theta. 2 pi minus pi by 3 because 6 minus 1, 5 pi by 3. Now, of these two values, we take the first value for general solution. Cos x is equal to 1 by 2. So cos x is cos, what is alpha here? The first one, pi by 3, which gives x is equal to cos x is equal to cos alpha. If cos x is cos alpha, x is equal to, what's the answer? 2n pi plus or minus alpha. 2n pi plus or minus alpha is pi by 3, n belongs to this. So we have two general solutions for question number 6. First one is 2n plus 1 pi by 4. Second one is 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. I hope you got the idea. You got the idea? Now, question number 9 is same as this one. Do it as a homework. Question number 9. Question number 7 and 9. Question number 7 and 9, do it as a homework. Question number 8, we will do in next class. 7th one, sin 2x. I will just give a hint. Sin 2x plus cos x. See, always we have to take out common factors. See that? Sin 2x plus cos x. Starting sin 2x. Where is question number 9 is same as this one. Sin x, sin 3x, sin 5x. So combine 5 and 1, you will get sin 3x common. We don't have formula for sin x plus cos y. Sin 2x can be rewritten as 2 sin x cos x plus cos x is 0. Is it? Sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. Sin 2x. Now we can take cos x common. If we take cos x common, cos x into 2 sin x plus 1 is 0. This means cos x is 0. 2 sin x plus 1 is 0. Cos x is 0. Cos x is 0. X is 2x plus 1 pi by 2. 2 sin x plus 1 is 0. 2 sin x is minus 1. Sin x is minus 1 by 2. I think we did that same question. Sin x is minus 1 by 2. That is solution. So that's a homework. Question number 7 and 9 homework. 8 we will do next class. So anything else? Today's test at just before 5 o'clock in our group. One link will be displayed. Just click that link. You are in. Right? Only MCQ, 10 questions MCQ. But few questions you have to calculate. You need some calculation. Even one question, I think, question based on all questions up to trigonometry. Trigonometry, except this exercise. 3.3. What is 3.3? Yes. Except 3.4. What we did last week means including sin x plus sin y formula. That one. Yes. So which app we have to give test? Just open the link. No app, nothing. Just open the link. No need of email, nothing. I will post a link in this WhatsApp group. Just click it. You are in. That's all. I forgot to write my correct roll number. No problem. Whether your roll number is right or no problem. 279 homework. Correct. Okay.